Travel. Travel or journey. Right? Uhambo. Ukhozi. Eagle. Vision. Speed. From above. Spirit. Speed, vision. That's the eagle. A river. Flow. Energy. Blood. Right?
Yeah.
Flow of energy. But blood. Which is how our energy flows in our body. Also, bloodline. Connection. Bread. How do you achieve bread?
I like it.
You mix it,
Yeah.
and you put an agent and raise. So, resurrection or growth or maturity. Right? And it ihlale oven ifukanyelwe la kushisa khona. The womb. Right? And then it's oil. A little chicken comes out of an egg. Reproduction. Generations. Transformation.
Chazele igama quill. Thina ngesizulu inkukhu sibe sithi quill.
Mangisi phela nina ungakhohlwa.
Kufana kweli. Yinto esa influence abamhlophe. We ruling eEurope. Sila abantu ababependa into blue. Ayina ama pigs.
So this word bantu, what it actually means in the hieroglyphics, it's a journey of the spirit through the blood in generations of growth to bring back generations after generations of reproduction. So ukuba umuntu means what? It is the journey of the spirit through the connection of bloodline in maturity in order to give birth again. This is a science on its own. This shows that don't be attached to anything oyadlula emhlabeni. This shows that you are spirit in traverse. What are you traveling through? Time, energy, nothing physical. What are you here to do? You are here to grow and reach a state of maturity so that you can be born again.
Yazi wathi no uThokozani Nyandeni wayehlala kithi efunda isikole sakhe ngaseMtubatuba lehlala kwela kithi eNondweni eNquthu wathi yena wabu I think ubani uye wabuza lo mbuzo yangathi yena wabuza lo mbuzo ukuthi njengoba sila emhlabeni siphila sizokwenzani siphilelana yabo yazi umzawa wami mphendula wathi yena umzawa wami ukuthiwa ungiphela wamphendula wathi no sizelela ukuthi sife siphilele ukuthi sife wa living to die.
That's it.
Manje kodwa lokhu kungakunika more sense than lento ayachazwa yona.
Siphilela ukuthi sizophila futhi.
Yebo.
But ukuze siphile futhi kumele sife. So even our name Bantu doesn't mean you have permanence, but it means you have immortality. So why would you worship God when your very name says you are an eternal being?